Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer in Oklahoma City. Today we're looking at a 2007 ISUZU NPR HD Crew Cab. This crew cab has a 5.2-liter turbo diesel engine with 190 horsepower. Keep in mind the 2007 is pre-emissions, no DEF fluid required. In the back, you have a landscape body that measures 17 foot overall. You have a 13 foot of flat area and a 4-foot ramp. There in the cab, you can seat 3 comfortably in the front and squeeze in 4 in the back.
Got the kick.
To see this landscape truck, give us a call at 405-912-5800 or visit us online, Truck-n-Trailer.com.